Electrolytes are very important for our health. Many symptoms can arise if we are depleted of electrolytes. Maybe you feel tired, fatigued, or you need a nap in the afternoon. You can watch my other videos about electrolytes to see a more complete list of all the symptoms. I named just a few here, like muscle cramps and weakness, delayed recovery time after exercise, or someone can't sweat. Those can be all symptoms of electrolyte deficiency. Now I want to get into why we need electrolytes. Fluid surrounding cells moves in and out of those cells through their membranes. The fluid transports nutrients into the cells so it can function properly and produce energy. The cell membranes are electrically charged. When the cell membranes lose the electric charge, it can't function properly. Looking at the fluid surrounding the cells and the one inside cells, we can talk about electrolyte solutions because they contain salt, magnesium, and others. But we don't just have one kind of electrolyte solution in our body. We have two different electrolyte solutions in our body. One is on the inside and one on the outside of cells. An electrical charge is being created on the cell membrane by different mineral levels in the fluid that is in the inside the cell and the solution on the outside of the cell. The inside charge is negative and the outside charge positive, like a battery. We need electrolytes to help maintain the balance of fluids between the intracellular and extracellular environment. Without the fluid balance and the electrical charge, nerve impulses, muscle contraction, and pH level cannot be established and hydration can be lost. In other words, we become dehydrated and our cells can't function properly if we don't have the electrical charge. In between the cells in our body, we find the extracellular matrix, which contains an electrolyte fluid, and inside the cell we find an electrolyte fluid. The matrix outside the cell, together with the intracellular fluid, need electrolytes in order to produce the electrical charge. The electrolyte concentration of those components that make up the electrolyte solution in our body is greatly different when we compare the extra with the intracellular fluid. Sodium, as you know, is one of the electrolytes we lose when we sweat. We find sodium and chloride in higher concentration in the extracellular matrix, the outside of the cells, and potassium and magnesium, phosphate and sulfate in higher concentration inside the cells. In fact, take a look at potassium with the symbol K. The intracellular concentration is 40 times higher than the outside concentration. Hydrogen phosphate with the symbol HPO4 is 50 times higher inside the cells than in the extracellular matrix, while sodium with the symbol Na is 14 times higher in the extracellular matrix, as well as chloride with the symbol Cl, which is 30 times higher outside the cells. The membrane charge, and therefore the cell function and cell health, is based on the electrolyte concentration and ratio of those two compartments. If you are looking for a quality electrolyte supplement, then you can go to the description of this video and click on the link to my supplement dispensary. I created a category named Electrolytes in my favorites. There you find electrolyte supplements that are well balanced. Please hit the like button if you find this video informative. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. Take care.